What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So it's been a minute. I've just been uploading videos to YouTube that I've done actually from the past year. I've just been so busy and whatnot with my kids and work and stuff like that, so I haven't had time to record a lot of new content, but I still have so much in my YouTube archive to put out. That's why I've been putting it out like every week or every 2 weeks or whatever. This video is from 2025 and it's something that I actually saw on Amazon, and this is one of the basic ones. It's not one of the sequential ones, and this is what I wanted to show you. This is a strip that it's an ambient lighting strip that I got from Amazon, and they're making it now for like your trunk area. So what you can do is tap into your existing trunk light, and you can have either a sequential flowing one or just a straight one that turns on with your lights. Okay, so pretty much both, either the sequential or this current one right here, it's going to turn on with the lights, but the sequential one, it'll just do like a fancy pattern like my truck when it turns on, as you've seen before. I'll link that video up top to the right hand side. Let's see, this is about 177 inches. It's almost like 15 feet, and it's also cuttable. If you look at this right here, you'll see markings where you can cut the strip, because I'll tell you right now, this is a lot of strip, and obviously this entire thing is not gonna fit. Now, what you saw me doing from before, what I did was I was doing some testing. I ran my 3M tape. This does not come with adhesive tape on the back. First time I actually seen one like that. As I said, once I get one that I could get within 1 to 2 days on Amazon, I'll purchase it. This one came next day. The sequential ones, they're probably coming from all the way from China, and I didn't want to wait all the way till June. So what I did was, I'll link this in the description as well. This is a nifty adhesion promoter strip, and obviously you shake it up and you press the tip, and it has like a wet portion. Just give it 30 seconds and then you can apply your 3M strip, because I'll tell you, this material on this car is very, very, very smooth, which means it's not that tacky. So you're definitely going to need adhesion promoter. And what I did before, I took rubbing alcohol, cleaned this whole thing down, and then I just ran the entire thing. Now, obviously, I'm not going to run it up here. This is fabric, okay? So I'm just going to run it from this way right to here. And I'll face the lighted portion on the inside, so once it opens, you'll be able to see in this entire well. Now, what I was doing before, and I want to show you, this is a very, very important part, and this is the testing portion. Now, I'm pretty sure, let me see if I want to put this as close as possible. Yes, right here. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys, your trunk setup might be different, like meaning your light connection setup, okay? And I will link this stuff in the description, don't worry. The adhesion promoter, this tester, this thing is freaking dope. I have so much tools, guys, and I'll tell you this, having the right tool will make installations so much easier. So obviously you ground this portion right here to like a bolt on the trunk, okay, because that'll most likely be metal, which is directly grounded to the frame or the chassis, okay? And what you want to do is you want to take one of the leads, okay, and definitely test which lead has power, because what's going to happen is you're going to have power running to one of these wires. This is a 2019 Kia Sedona, so there's a white wire with an orange strip over here. There's a black wire, which is the ground, a green wire, and a white wire. So each of those wires probably do obviously something a little bit different, but one of those wires is going to have constant power to it, and which I tested the white with the orange strip, and guess what? Nice digital readout, 12.3 volts. So obviously the black is the ground, and the green and the white, nothing is going on with them. But check this out. All right, guys, so with this strip, they actually give you these prongs on the leads, okay, where that you could just literally insert it into the wire jacket without having to splice into the wire. Okay, so this is a good way how you can test. So I'm going to take this positive one, okay, shut this light off, take this positive one, I'm going to put it into the one with constant power, as we just saw. That's the white with the orange stripe, okay, and then I'm going to take this one, this black. If I poke this black in there, the strip is going to come on automatically. I don't know if you can see it, but okay, but that means it'll stay on the whole time until the car, the computer in this car actually turns off. Okay, it actually turns off after like 5 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever. If like there's a door cracked open or something like that, it won't drain your battery. Now that's not what I want. So I know one of these, either the green or the white, has to be some type of ground. Okay, now watch this. I'm gonna poke this where the white wire is, okay, and when I switch this light on, I'm gonna put it on door. So right now it's on off, and I'm gonna put it on door, and bam. So that white wire is like a trigger, is like a ground trigger to complete the circuit, like when a door is open. Okay, so I'm gonna test this out for you. I'm gonna just show you. Let me just hang this over here so at least you can see it. I will shut the let me shut the trunk and you'll see for yourself. Okay, all right, so you guys can see it right there. Now watch when I close the trunk. And once I open the trunk, we're good to go. And that's it. So again, guys, your setup might be a little bit different. Your setup might be a little bit different to the white with the orange stripe. Let me just take this out of here. And the white with the orange stripe, the black, green, and white, okay? So just remember, just different triggers, okay? So food for thought. Now, as I said, I won't be using this entire strip. I have to cut this, okay? So I'm gonna start sticking this. I'm gonna start sticking from this end here, okay? The one with the connection. I'm gonna start sticking that over here and running it along and cut off the end over here. And this portion right here, I could just raise this rubber and tuck this stuff neatly in there, and we're good. All right, guys, so the installation is complete, and what I suggest, guys, I always tell people this, today is a little bit of a cool day, and we're in the middle of May right now, towards the end. It's like the 20th, and just wanted to show you this. All right, what I would tell you, if it's a little cool outside, depending on what state you're in or what country you're in, take your heat gun and just pass it along so that the glue from the 3M tape can adhere properly. This one, my adhesion promoter worked really, really well, and this 3M, it's really, really strong. There is no signs of anything like unsticking, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. This, because it's a cool day, I'm gonna run my extension cord with my heat gun and just go, you know, give it like a quick once over, and we should be it. Or you could just park in the sun and close the car, and then, you know, it'll warm up for itself. Now everything is buttoned back up, okay? And as I said before, you can see this. Now once we're at nighttime, this thing is gonna look sick. And I just wanted to tell you, this piece right here that I cut off, It actually went all the way around and a little bit more. So depending, I don't think even in a big SUV, I think that this will wrap all the way around. I don't think you will have any type of coverage problems. And something I did forget, guy, this did come with a little card, right, real quick. Okay, just showing you, like, you know, it's cuttable, things like that, how to connect it. They answer some questions on the back. Not too much information. Okay, so it came obviously with the strip, the power cord, the little card. They give you a little pry tool as well. They give you a little pry tool and some electrical tape. Honestly, I didn't use the electrical tape, and those prongs that they put at the end of the leads, those leads are perfect to stick inside of the harnesses and get a really solid connection instead of you splicing into those thin wires, to the guys who are scared of using wiretaps. Just in case, if I did have to use wiretaps, I have my stripper right here. I have my taps right here. If you want, I could also link those in the description. But as I said, I didn't need to use any of that stuff. Okay, all I had to do was freaking rubbing alcohol, and obviously rubbing alcohol, adhesion promoter, the 3M tape, and some scissors. But look how neat this is. Tucked in, super seamless. Now I know for a fact, if we open this up at night, in here is gonna light up super bright, which I'm gonna do. So guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment, and I will be back later to show you a little bit of that display at night. But check this out real quick. So as I close it, I'm gonna show you again. Once I shut the trunk, and this is gonna light up really bright at night because I got the one that's freaking 6000K white, like a nice crispy white light, just like inside of this car. All right, so I will be back later. Take it easy. All right guys, it's late at night and time to check this out. These are the lights that are on inside of the car, but this backlight over here, it's not on. So once I pop this, should be able to see what the hell is going on. Yeah, look how bright that is. Pretty nice, right? Now, also a little caveat. I think the reason why there was no tape on this was because I think they wanted you to slide it underneath the freaking rubber and like fit it in like that without any, like just tuck it in under here. But that wouldn't work. It wouldn't work well because this rubber, it's kind of shallow. It doesn't have, you know what I'm saying? This is a pretty thick strip. I don't think it would work. I don't think it would work well at all. And guess what? I had this strip. The car was in the sun pretty much all day. Everything is stuck nicely. Look how nice that looks. Really nice. And now, as I said, if I was to shut this switch off, light shuts off. So these lights work pretty much once this tailgate is open. But it's a nice bright 6500K white. Gotta love it. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. And everything is gonna be in the description, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.